said, Brandy, you're a fine girl. Wanker! What a wanker. Come on, dipshit. Come on, dipshit. Fuckwit. Fuckwit. Fuck off, asshole. Dick!
Yeah.
You got no fucking right here.
No.
Cock-sucking ballbag.
Whoa, what's on the road there?
Where, Dick?
Something. Oh. Carpet.
Bucket of something which I'm going to avoid by getting the fuck off.
Thankfully it fell that way.
Fuck.
Might be theirs.
Might be theirs.
They've gone to get it.
See if we can see the carpet in the middle of the road.
It's out.
Hey, lights on. Lights on. Lights on. Lights. 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 Lights, dipshit.
Ah, there you go.
Dipshit. Oh shit! Holy snapping duck shit back there.
These trains, do you?
That's the problem, you don't.
No.
It's annoying.
I knew he was coming across your lane.
Of course it was, dear. It always was. Since I worked out when. Oh, you fucking idiot.
Why'd you come across not to turn?
Because he's a dipshit.
Why do you...
Wanker. Shove it outside of his big fucking eye.
He didn't have any on. They're like that, aren't they?
Shithead.
Oh
Jesus
my
Christ,
God.
what an asshole. Between trucks. That's just an asshole move. That is just dumb. Shit sticks. Yeah, but I knew to do that. And I tell people to do that. I say, hey, you know what's coming up? We're going to put our weight here and we're going to do that. But he just expresses it differently. This guy in front of me is trying to take the exit. Dude, you can't take the exit yet. Nothing's happened. What the hell are you doing? Asshole! Dipshit! Oh, thank God. Go away. come up with this genius idea, you fucking tosser? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ on a bike. Yeah, just wait for her to put the trolley back too. That's even better. Just sit there, you fucking entitled jerk. Sucker of penises. Yay, well done, Peugeot. Tourists, police, and trucks. Two men say they're Jesus. One of them must be wrong. He's a protest singer. He's singing a protest song. You have right away. I have a car. The water stops me. And you are a fucking clam. Hey, you fucking wanker, pedestrian, cock-sucking ball bags. Pedestrian crossing not good enough for you boys, is it? No, pedestrian crossing not good enough for you.
Slap.
I hate people when they're not polite. Psycho killer. Don't you fucking... Jesus fucking Christ, you asshole! When this kisses fever. Junior Murray, I pull the tables back, and your damn refrigerator, get your drinking off her. You think he was going to do that, Christopher? Yeah.
We're gonna have to ask. You know what? It looks like it's gonna rain.
We went Christmas with
That'd be
our
nice.
family.
Asshole. Jesus Christ.
Which one? The
That
blue.
one.
That one.
Pulled right out.
Couldn't believe how long we pulled it wrapped up, so yeah, that's all good. So yeah, done all I can really. Could have just oh, shit.
An asshole.